Introduction.
Mom, I'm very hungry. What is in the lunch today?
Rohan, I have cooked potato curry, beans and rice for you.
Oh no, but I want to eat noodles today.
This is not good, Rohan. You just want to eat junk food all the time. Do you know eating junk food is bad for your health?
Mom, I wonder how food and health are related to each other.
Children, in this lesson we will learn about food and health. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define health, classify food in its types, list the sources of food, tell good eating habits. Health is the word used to describe how your body feels. Being healthy is very important because it makes you feel good and live longer. The most important thing to keep you healthy is to eat the right food. Come along to know about food. Have you ever wondered what happens to our body when our body feels hungry or thirsty? It means our body needs energy and we can obtain this energy from food. We need food to stay alive and grow. Food is made up of molecules called nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients have different functions in our body, like they make us grow, give us energy, and protect our body from diseases. So a healthy food is a food rich in nutrients. There are 3 types of food: energy-giving food, body-building food, and protective food. Let us learn about them one by one. Carbohydrates and fats supply our body with energy and keep us alive. Energy-giving food is rich in carbohydrates and fats. Sugar and all the cereals like rice, wheat flour, maize, and barley are the main sources of carbohydrates. Butter, ghee, and all the cooking oils are the main sources of fats. The food rich in proteins is called bodybuilding food. Pulses, nuts, fish, meat, dairy products contain large amounts of protein. Protein is used to build the new parts of the body as well as repairing the old parts. Protective food helps us to fight against diseases. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. A mineral like calcium builds strong bones and teeth. Vitamin E is good for our skin. There are lots of vitamins and minerals in our body to perform different functions. Can you tell from where do we get our food? Yes, we obtain all the vegetables and fruits from the plants. Other than that, animals also provide us food. Can you tell what we should do to stay healthy? Eating a balanced diet, drinking plenty of water, and doing exercise regularly are the ways to stay healthy. A balanced diet includes all the essential nutrients in correct proportions. Always remember to eat balanced diet, drink plenty of water, and do exercise regularly in order to stay healthy. Germs are everywhere around us. They spoil our food and make us ill. Come, let us learn some good eating habits. Always wash your hands with soap before and after eating. Cut short your nails once in a week. Wash raw fruits and vegetables before eating. Eat only healthy food and avoid junk food. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Health is the word used to describe how your body feels. Food is made up of molecules called nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. There are three types of food: energy-giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. Energy-giving food is rich in carbohydrates and fats. The food rich in proteins is called bodybuilding food. Protective food helps us to fight against diseases. Plants and animals are the sources of food. Eat balanced diet, drink plenty of water, and do exercise regularly in order to stay healthy.